It's authentic. Yeah, that is it. Let's go now. Let's go now. Let's go
This is the worst I've seen. This is not the sort of turnout we find or get in elections center. Clearly, the extreme security measures that have been taken should be relaxed. I mean, as you can see, there's a total lockdown of the city, which is not allowing people go out to exercise their franchise. Yes, it's important that we have security, but it cannot be this overwhelming. This is one I have seen. The deterrent, I think, is so scary that most people will want to stay in. And if you recall that some people's polling units have been moved further from where they live, and therefore they cannot walk, may not be able to walk to their polling units, and will need to drive with the kind of barriers and barricades that have been put across the city. Clearly, people are not going to be able to get to their polling units. So I'm appealing to the security agencies, while still having their eyes and maintaining tight security, they should, when people have proof, for instance, they have their PVCs, proof that they are going to vote, they should allow them go and exercise their franchise so that we can allow more people come and vote.
Now we don't turn out for Mr. Governor Center where for the vote, and this one at Ward 4 for Mission Road for Oredo. This one at the center where they call him up by primary school, where Mr. Governor for the cast the vote. And as you see him now, behind me, he don't cast the vote, he don't vote for the party when he belong to and the candidate when he believe in. And I see him now say even this place, now Lotonat is still built just like the other areas where they come from, but people still increase here like the Obaseki, where we primary school just now. We say make we turn out here, we still remain TMC TV.
My name is Nicholas Asonseri, PDP candidate, Bobaka House of Assembly. For the ward where I don't go around for my area for a year, the election they go on peacefully. Everywhere is cool and calm. There's no rancor, no fight. Everybody they vote, they follow the rules. So it's been civil, and we are happy that it's a peaceful day.
I say this ward now Ward 7, and my name now Okoro Stephen. I be lawyer, and I be state legal advisor of APC for Edo State. And then the turnout, what we experience now, is very low where compared to what happened for 25th of February, where people come out well, but today people don't come out. We not gonna know why they not gonna come out. Maybe they don't tire, but God will help us.
I come vote. I just come here now, and everything they well, everything they peaceful. I see people around, everything they peaceful. So me, I want go vote. So you when they watch me, if you still there, come and vote.
Witness the effect of Mumu behavior during the last election.
All the places where I don't get information since, I hear saying a low turnout. And the low turnout now affect one place. With the way they look at, now the whole nation now affect. But we still thank God, say few people come out, they come vote for their party and their party where they support and the candidate where they support. And the people who first come out, maybe the reason why they come at that time, they not see him. The reason why they come vote, they not see him. But not be waiting I go judge because me a journalist. Now I'm honor to go around to observe what they happen. And I say, the difference between 25th February is different from March 18. And what we see today, a very big challenge to democracy. That if people get the reason of voting, and I because of one particular reason, which is not supposed to be good, vote na vote. When you vote for one, you don't win. You go vote for another one. When you vote for another one, maybe you go win. Because what do they talk about? So, Edo State don't do governorship election. I think now by next year, now they will do governorship election. And as for assembly, they very meaningful to people. And therefore still come out, make them vote for the House of Assembly, where they fit, where contest for the party, where they take vote for the person, where he don't win before we make them not come out. Therefore, come still come out, make them vote.
Name na Mr. Collins Okonofwa. I be APC person for Ward 7, Ego Local Government Council, Ade Unit 15. For where we did so na Blessing Foundation. Now we do our election so. The turnout for the election they low. This one we believe say na the way the other election be that day. Now it makes so many people not come out. Or we also believe say people don't see this election as much important like the one way they do pass. But because of the state, now this one now it important pass. But people don't come out well. So far, the election has been very, very fair. It is okay. The election is good. For a year, we don't see fight. No wahala. Anybody not come here can't disrupt the election. Everything they run well. Everything they go fine. So we believe, say, at the end of it, very soon they will call result. And by God's grace, whatever be the outcome of the result, we're ready to take them like that because we don't need to fight. Because everybody for the local government, the brother and sister, and now for one purpose, everybody they work towards. Whether NLPP, APC, PDP, anything, we believe, say, by God's grace, everything will go well.
Today turnout they very, very poor, highly unexpected. But we're not surprised, people don't dey vex, number one, and people don't dey fear, number two. Those two things that make people not come out, come vote today. Because they don't believe, say, I come out, I vote to, I not vote to. it no matter. That one day then plus wetin happen for last election, they hear gunshot for so many places. Nobody want die because life is interesting, life is sweet. So that make today the turnout they very poor for two reasons. One, fear. Two, unhappiness, anger. That if I vote, they will still do. I'll be able to do their mind they will do. So that is what we are seeing today.
And we dey here for the House of Assembly election for Edo State today. But right now, the turnout dey very, very low because a lot of people not come out based on the outcome of the last election. From what we dey see, many people don't lose hope for the process. They not trust the process. They not trust INEC. They not trust the politicians. They don't even trust the security personnel. So the turnout is very, very low. And we just wish that this time around our votes go count. Because no matter how they try to intimidate us, some of us, they say they're not going to intimidate, we go still come out. Even though two of us, we will still vote.